Hi, I'm Dave Irvin and welcome to Node.js in 7 days by Pack Publishing. I've been a contract developer for the last couple of years and I've been using Node for the past several years since version 0.8. I've had applications in production for the last 3 years or so. I currently help maintain the open source Twig.js library. Node.js is a popular choice for teams that need to design, build, test, deploy, maintain and monitor large-scale distributed systems. This course will give you a firm basis to start on and work on your own projects with Node.js. Each section is followed by hands-on practical assignments as a homework to help you implement what you've learned that day. With the fast-paced and systematic approach of this course, Learn Node.js in 7 days is the most practical and structured course to build and deploy real-world Node.js applications in a week. In Section 1, we'll cover installing Node.js and an IDE to work in and get you underway with your first application. Then in Section 2, we'll look at the Node.js standard modules as well as the NPM ecosystem for libraries. I'll also take you through new style arrow functions and go over how to capture user input from the command line. Events and callbacks are key to how Node works, so we'll cover these along with promises in Section 3. Node is commonly used as an HTTP server in some form or other, and Express is the most common library that builds on Node's standard HTTP functionality. We'll go through running a server with and without Express in Section 4. Section 5 covers testing and debugging your apps. Callbacks and promises are being replaced with a new syntax called async await. We'll look into how you can use this in your latest apps in Section 6. Finally, in Section 7, we'll talk about using Node in production and how you can ensure your app is always available. Before we get started, make sure you've got a solid understanding of JavaScript principles. You know your vars from your lets, your undefined from your nulls, and you can find your way around an array. We'll be using Windows as our operating system during this course, but if you've got Linux or OS X, most of the tools that we're using here should work as well.